Hi, you guys, it's Mrs. Layous. You guys are working on a classifying organisms worksheet today for science. So on your schedule, it says do your science worksheet and watch my video. This is the science worksheet you're doing at home. It does need to be completely filled out, so I want you to listen to my video as I go through this. You need to copy down what I'm doing. Okay, so we are talking about how to classify organisms. I will be able to classify organisms based on how they obtain energy. So every living thing needs energy in order to survive. Humans need food in order to have energy. Food gives you energy. So we need to think about the three main organisms, which are producers, consumers, and decomposers. And we're going to talk about how they get their energy so they can survive. We need all of these things in our world, in our environment, in order for everything to work and live together. So let's define all living things. All living things need energy. Organisms obtain their energy in various ways. All right, so here we go. Producer. What is a producer? And so let's figure out, well, what does it mean to produce? Produce means to make. And if I am a producer in the environment, I make energy. So I want you to copy this down. I make energy from sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. So what living things are considered producers? Well, green plants. Plants are producers. They produce energy. The way that they get their energy so they can live is obviously from sun, carbon dioxide, and water. The next level of organisms are called consumers. What does it mean to consume? Well, that means to eat. So how do consumers get their energy? They eat other animals or plants for energy. So that sounds like you and me. So that includes humans and animals. In order for us to survive, we have to eat. And we have to have energy to live. Where do we get our energy? From eating plants or animals. We are consumers. What are decomposers? And these are a very important part of the cycle. They are an organism, so what does it mean to decompose something? It means something becomes rotten or to decay. So if you've ever seen rotten food or a rotten dead animal, decomposers are doing that. So how do decomposers get their energy? Because we need them. We need that process. They break down dead or decaying material for energy. Bacteria. Bacteria is a form of a decomposer, okay? So here's what I want you to do. Now you're going to identify the following three things as either a producer, consumer, or decomposer. So number one, a rabbit eats carrots, lettuce, and other vegetables. Which organism are they and why? So you're going to tell me if a rabbit is a producer, a consumer, or a decomposer. Write it in a complete sentence and tell me why you think they are each of those things. Which one is the rabbit? Same thing for a worm, and same thing for an apple tree. So these are the ones you're going to do by yourself, and we'll share and go over our answers in class, okay? All right, you guys, I will see you later.